Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Today's beading tutorial is for the skinny stack beaded bar ring. It's easy to learn and quick to make, so make as many as you'd like and wear them individually or stacked together. Size 15 seed beads, a total of 7, and these are galvanized gold by Miyuki. We'll need size 11 seed beads. I'm using TOHO Galvanized gold, Miniduos, and 6 3mm bicone crystals. Size 12 beading needle along with my Fireline and crystal. The first step is to make the crystal top for your ring. 1 3mm bicone crystal and 3 size 11 seed beads, pulling it down near the end of my thread and needle back into the 3mm bicone crystal. Holding it so the seed beads are on top, pick up 3 more size 11 seed beads and needle back through your crystal. 1 3mm bicone crystal and 2 size 11 seed beads, coming into the 11 just here. Needle back through your crystal. 2 size 11 seed beads, coming into the size 11 here. And then needle back through your crystal. One 3mm bicone and 2 size 11 seed beads, coming into the size 11. Needle back through your crystal. 2 size 11 seed beads into the size 11 here and back through your crystal. Repeat. 1 3mm bicone and 2 size 11 seed beads into the top size 11 seed bead here, and then back through your crystal. Two size 11 seed beads into this lower size 11 seed bead and back through the crystal. One 3mm bicone and 2 size 11s into your 11, and then back through the crystal. Two size 11s into this 11 down here and back through your crystal. 1 3mm bicone and 2 11s into the top 11, and back through your 3mm bicone crystal. 2 size 11s into the 11 down here and back through your 3mm bicone crystal. You'll want to needle through 2 of your size 11 seed beads here. Next, we're going to add our mini duos to make the bicones sit on top. We're going to be adding a mini duo between every sticking out bead down the side and then on the end, come through both of your size 11 seed beads. One size 15 seed bead into the next two size 11s. Needle into the first mini duo. I'm going to pull my thread through, needle into the next sticking out 11 on my side here, needle into one more of your mini duos, and then needle into the 11 on the side that's sticking out, needle into one of your mini duos, and then into the next 11 sticking out on the side. Again, into your mini duo, and into the 11 sticking out on the side, into the last mini duo, and into two of the 11s on the side. One size 15 seed bead, and come into the two size 11s. We're just going to needle through the side of our 11s and mini duos down to the other end. Exiting this mini duo, needle into this large empty space between all of your beads and come up next to your 3mm bicone. We're going to come into the first 3mm bicone. We're just going to be adding one of the 15 seed beads into your next 3mm bicone crystal. We're just going to be adding one of the 15 seed beads between each 3mm bicone crystal. The last size 15 seed bead into the last 3mm bicone crystal here on the end. And you can really see the top of your ring taking shape. We're exiting the crystal, and here on the side we have our size 15 seed bead, 111 on this side and 111 on this side. We're going to make that a little right angle weave, needle into one of the size 11s, pick up one size 11 and come into the size 11 on the other side just beside the size 15. Come around until you're exiting the bottom 11 that you just added with 3 size 11s into the opposite side of the 11 that you're exiting. I'm going to come down through 1 and 2 of my size 11s. 3 more size 11s. Go into the opposite side of the 11 that your thread was exiting. Down 1 size 11 and into the bottom, into this bottom 11 here. Continue. I continued with the right angle weave for the band until I had a length that I need. Now that I'm exiting my very last size 11 here on the end, I need to attach it to the other side of the ring. To make this right angle weave unit, we're going to use the one bead that we're coming out of as one of our beads, the size 11, the 15, and the 11. So I'm going to needle into the 111 here, through the 15, and then down into the 11 beside it, and back through the size 11 that we're exiting. I'm going to needle through these one more time to reinforce it, the 11, the 15, and the 11, and the 11. All we have left to do is take the size 11 seed bead and come into the first sticking out size 11. We're going to repeat this all the way down the edge of our band. So again, you're just placing 111 into the next sticking out 11 all the way down this edge. I added the 11s down this side. Picking up my last 11, I'll come into the 11 before the size 15 seed bead. Come through the size 15 seed bead, turning my work, come through the one size 11 next to your 15, again, one size 11 into the first sticking out size 11, and repeat that all the way down this side. Taking my last size 11 for this side, coming through the 11 before the size 15 on the end, come through your 15. I'm going to needle into my size 11s here on the side, through one in the middle, down the other side, through one in the middle, work my way back up towards the top of the band, back through the one in the middle. Continue retracing your right angle weave units to reinforce your band. I added a needle to the tail that was coming out of this bicone. I'll go ahead and come into the band here on the 11, the next 11 for the right angle weave unit, do the 11 before your size 15. So now we're just going to needle back through the bicones and 15s on top. I needled all the way through the bicones and 15s, and now I'm exiting down here at this end. I'll go ahead and retrace the right angle weave throughout the band with my thread. Have a beautiful day, and thanks for watching.